In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video slider in Shopify. We'll build a smooth, eye-catching slider using Shopify's built-in slideshow section, and I'll walk you through a simple workaround to display video-like motion. First, log into your Shopify store so you can make updates to your theme. Once you're in the admin, head to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. This opens the theme editor where you'll see a live preview of your store and a panel of sections you can add or adjust. In the theme editor, select Add Section. In the search bar, type slideshow, then choose the slideshow section from the list. You'll see it appear in the preview with a couple of default image slides. If you don't need those, go ahead and remove the default slides to start with a clean slate. Here's the key part. The slideshow section only supports images, not video files. To simulate a video slider, convert your video clips into GIFs. You can use any trusted video to GIF converter you prefer. Keep your GIFs short, looped, and optimized for the web. Aim for a reasonable file size so your pages still load quickly, and match the dimensions of your theme's slideshow area to avoid cropping or distortion. A quick tip: trimming your clips to the most engaging few seconds and reducing the color count can help shrink the file size without losing the motion effect. Once your GIFs are ready, upload them as slideshow images. Click into each slide, choose Select Image, then upload your GIF or pick it from your library. You should immediately see the motion appear in the preview, just like a video. Now customize the look and feel, adjust the layout options, slide transitions, and timing to match your brand. Add clear headings, subheadings, and a call to action button if you want visitors to click through. Make sure your text is easy to read over the moving background. If needed, use an overlay or adjust the text color for contrast. Keep messages brief and focused, since motion can be visually busy. If you want multiple videos, simply add more slides and upload additional GIFs. You can reorder slides, set how long each slide stays on screen, and fine-tune transitions so the sequence flows smoothly. Preview on both desktop and mobile views in the editor to ensure everything looks crisp and loads quickly. When you're happy with it, click Save to publish the video slider on your store. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.